Bollywood celebrities who can't speak in English. Prabhas. Prabhas was born in Chennai and his mother language is Tamil. His English speaking ability is very poor. He can speak English but not fluently. This is one of his weaknesses. For this reason, he can't converse with his audience in Bollywood. Nawazuddin Siddiqui. The superstar, talented and versatile actor Nawazuddin has made his name in the Bollywood industry. He earned fame for his work, but he is not so good at speaking English. He understands English but cannot fluently communicate in the same language. Kangana Ranaut. Kangana is considered the queen of Bollywood. She is very good with her acting skills, but speaking English fluently is something that makes her nervous. She is not so good in English, but she certainly doesn't feel shy and embarrassed because of it. Akshay Kumar. Khiladi Kumar himself confessed that he is not comfortable speaking in English. He knows English for sure but can't speak properly. He always prefers Hindi to communicate with his fans and audiences. Akshay Kumar does not feel shy and nervous about not speaking English fluently. He replies in a manner that makes everybody feel comfortable. He replies in both English and Hindi. Rajinikanth. The whole world knows Rajinikanth, the South mega star. Rajinikanth is also not a fluent English speaker. His disability to speak English never beat to his career success came a barrier. He has earned success by answering in Hindi and his mother language. Talent leads him to the top of the Tollywood industry today. Govinda. Govinda is a superb actor with his perfect comic timing. But when it comes to speaking English, he isn't very good at it. He cannot speak English at all. He tries to speak English where it is necessary but talks in Hindi because he feels comfortable speaking it. Hema Malini. Hema Malini loves and chooses to speak in Hindi. She is very weak at speaking fluently English. Thus, she avoids speaking in English and replies in Hindi. She is a minister in National Party BJP and encourages speaking in Hindi language among the youth. Dharmendra Deval. Veteran actor Dharmendra Deval is not comfortable speaking the English language as it is not his cup of tea.